part 3 here for the Raw Tag Team title finale.
He goes down hard. Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point. The ref saying, no good can come of this.
Man, the referee down again for the Raw Tag Team title. Curtis Axel is bleeding over there. And outside, my hands are Bray Wyatt and the neck break by Apollo Crews. Matt Hardy with a punch to the next section. 2 titles on Neil. Bo Dallas is down. Curtis Axel is down. And Chad Gable is down. Oh my God. Yeah. Titus O'Neil breaks it up. And Bray Wyatt, look at him. This creepy son of a... And count him out. Cruz. Bam. Bray Wyatt. Sister. Abigail. Oh my goodness. Titus O'Neil breaks it up again. This match continues. Everybody in the ring now. Matt Hardy back in the ring now. Chad Gable bleeding all over the place. Blood all over, flowing on his face. No! There goes Titus O'Neil. Look at Curtis Axel. This blood all over his face and his chest. It's freaking crazy. Oh!
He's in full control.
No!
He's making a statement here with this attack. He's fighting back.
Look at Curtis Axel, man. This is crazy. This is all for the Raw Tag Team titles. This is our first match. This is crazy. It's a great match. Oh yeah! Samoan drop. Bray Wyatt chill. No. Just a bait. That would have been it. I don't know why Matt Hardy didn't get Apollo Crews. Apollo Crews, like I said, will have another match later on tonight for the World Championship. The new World Heavyweight Champion Kevin Owens. Apollo Crews versus Kevin Owens later on tonight. But I don't know if Apollo Crews is going to be 100% heading to that match later on tonight. And a big time triple threat match as well. Brock Lesnar will be in action. Will be in that triple threat match as well. Oh, damn! Ah! Cover! What? Dang! That should have been it. Apollo Crews. Got Matt Hardy, Bray Wyatt is down. Curtis Axel, breaks it up.
Bad spot for him to be in here, guys.
Got him!
This one is over. Remind me, how many times have we seen that time?
Oh my goodness. Forearm by Chad Gable. No. Jason Jordan picking up Bo Dallas. Oh. And Chad Gable lifting up Apollo Crews. With Jason Jordan with the arch. No, now Jason Jordan's bleeding. Now everybody bleeding here in this match. It's crazy. Bray Wyatt.
Jason Jordan just...
Kind about Curtis Axel. And Curtis Axel is having a fight of his life here in this match. Got him. Forearm. Cover. Would this be it? Bam! Chad Gable got him!
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
With a suplex. Shoulder tackle. Titus O'Neil. There goes Matt Hardy. Jordan. There goes Curtis Axel. Chad Gable going for the cover. Bray Wyatt breaks it up. My goodness, what a match this has been. There goes Jason Jordan. Curtis Axel back on his feet. I don't know how. Bray Wyatt. Damn. And Wyatt, Santon, and Wyatt not done yet. We're trying to go for Sister Abigail again. And a spear by Bo Dallas out of nowhere. What is this? Damn! What is this? What? Oh, he got the ropes. What the freak? He got the ropes. I don't know how Curtis actually even knew the rope was right next to him, right there. Good ring awareness by Curtis Axel, but I don't know how. He losing blood, and he still managed to get the ropes here in this match. Wow. What is it? It's crazy. Oh my! Everybody in the ring now. Bo Dallas form. Bray Wyatt bleeding. Super. Oh, bro kick. Knocking out Bray Wyatt. Submission. Bam. Submission. Jordan breaks it up. Bray Wyatt. Sister Abigail. Another one. Oh, this is the aftermath of the Royal Rumble, ladies and gentlemen. It's Monday Night Raw 2020. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Bam. Bam.
This is what makes him one of the best competitors. When this guy's on, look out.
Bray Wyatt got him. Titus O'Neil. Lift him up. That's slapping him down. Clothesline by Bo Dallas. Counter by Jordan. Would this be it? Knife fist chop. Knife fist chop by Matt Hardy back and forth. Matt Hardy sending Bo Dallas. No, never mind. Knife fist chop. Bo Dallas breaks it up. Side effect. Got him. Titus O'Neil is down. Apollo Crews is down. Matt Hardy now sending Jason Jordan outside the ring now. There goes Curtis Axel. Apollo Crews going out there. Curtis Axel now. And a suplex by Matt Hardy. My goodness, what's going to happen in that triple threat match later on tonight? It's going to be something. Is Apollo Crews even going to be in the match for the World Championship? Because this has been a long match here. First match for the Raw Tag Team titles. And Titus O'Neil breaks it up. Apollo Crews, Curtis Axel. Bam! With a spin kick by Crews. And Bo Dallas and Bray Wyatt. Two brothers going out of here. Every man for themselves. And his titles on the line. Bam! 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 He's gonna tap. He didn't tap. Jason Jordan breaks it up. Knock him down to the ground. And Titus O'Neil now get Matt Hardy. Bam! Angle slamming another one. What is it? One. Yo, what? Got him. Perfect plex. Got him. What is it? 1, 2, 3. It's over. 1, 2, 3. No. This is amazing. This is crazy. This is suplex by Chad Gable. And now Bray Wyatt slamming him down to the ground. What is it? Apollo Crews breaks it up. Bray Wyatt breaks it up to submission. And this match continues. Damn. Let the bodies hit the floor. Damn. We got Crews. I don't know how. Curtis Axel taking advantage. Opportunity. Got him. And go for the cover. Down with a DDT. Apollo Crews got him. Side effect, Matt Hardy, 2-on-1. He's still fighting. There goes Apollo Crews again. Over the top rope, Bray Wyatt. Bam! Throwing the punches. Chad Gable. Titus O'Neil going out of here. Matt Hardy throwing the punches to Curtis Axel with a counter by Curtis Axel. Jordan now. Sending Bo Dallas to the corner now. And no! Bo Dallas getting out the way. Nope, counter by Jordan. Back and forth match. Tornado DDT. Back suplex by Chad Gable. Counter by Apollo Crews. Bam! There goes Bo Dallas. Apollo Crews. What is to be it? Apollo Crews. Ah, Chad Gable. Submission. Is he gonna tap? He didn't tap. And this match continues, man. They want the Raw Tag Team titles, man. 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? Kicked out.
Big kick out of that. Wow, I am impressed.
Matt Hardy, chill, twist of fate. One, 2, 3. Oh, it's not 3. What the freak? Bo Dallas breaks it up.
He's known to have good stamina, so he can sustain this effort.
How the freak he break it up? What the damn clutch? He break it up in the nick of time. Wow. I don't know who's gonna win this match, man. Wyatt got him. Bam. There goes Curtis Axel. And there goes Curtis Axel back in the match, back in the ring now. And now Matt Hardy, elbow strike right to the wound, right to the blood of forehead of Bo Dallas. There goes Dallas. And now Matt Hardy out of nowhere, knocking down Apollo Crews. And now Chad Gable, right to the arm. And now trying to go for a suplex. And now Matt Hardy, a little side effect right there. Got him. And Bray Wyatt's sister Abigail out of nowhere. And then Titus O'Neil. Apollo Crews lifting up Matt Hardy and knock him down to the ground. And now Matt Hardy. Will this be it? Will this be it? New champion. 1. Nope, never mind. This match continues. I don't know who's gonna win, man. I feel like no winner. Will this be a draw? My goodness, this match is taking too damn long. I wasn't expecting this. What's Jordan doing? Oh, there goes Curtis Axel. Now I got Titus on there. I don't know what Jordan doing over there. Boy drunk. Bam. Knife fist chop. Gable. What is this? A tornado DDT by Bo Dallas. Removed by Chad Gable. Bo Dallas, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, counter by Crews. What a matchup this is, Chad Gable. Apollo Crews on the move by Bo Dallas. Got him. Bray Wyatt breaks it up. What a match. Bam. Apollo Crews. How he kicked out? Oh my God. How you kicking out, man? He's throwing a bunch of finishers. Look at this. Bam! Another one, Sister Abigail. By Bray Wyatt. This Sister Abigail City over here, man. And breaks it up now. There goes Chad Gable. I thought we'd have new tag team champions. I guess not. Cruz got him. Wyatt taking everybody out, including himself. Cruz, knife edge chop, throwing the punches. Bo Dallas with a counter. With the strikes to Cruz. Cruz with a counter. Bray Wyatt, another Sister Abigail. See, look at him. He hit him finishing moves, man. What is to be it? 1. Nope, it's not. Titus O'Neil breaks it up. Bray Wyatt, Titus O'Neil, Wyatt, Titus O'Neil got him. 1, 2, 3. God, finally.
Is your winner. Now let's get another look at some of the high points of that.
What a match. My goodness, finally, the finale. I thought it was going to be part 4 or something, man. I thought I'm going to be lying, like, it's not going to be this is not the finale. But this is the finale, finally, of the matches, finally concluded. Sheesh. What a match. Titus Worldwide are the new. New tag team champions. Is Apollo Crews? They're gonna blood all over both of them, all over their face, and it was worth it. Will Apollo Crews beat Apollo? 2 belts, 2 champions. Is Apollo Crews gonna be 100% later on when he faces Kevin Owens for the World Championship later on tonight?